Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday, it's USDA report day, and we'll finally get the numbers from the USDA and see how the market reacts. Here in Chicago, we're beginning a big thaw from the cold temperatures and snow that we've got over the last week or 10 days. From a cash grain standpoint, that might help movement. That has been slowed down, but prices have dropped so much in the last week, especially in corn, that we probably won't see a lot of farmers selling anyway. That keeps the basis levels strong. As far as the report goes, the market is going into the report with long beans and meal, short corn, wheat, and soybean oil. We've got new contract lows in corn, wheat, soybean oil, and new crop November beans. So we could have a pretty violent reaction if it's a bullish report or a bearish report. USDA is expected to raise U.S. corn and soybean crops. They're expected to raise the corn carryout, lower the wheat carryout, and keep the bean carryout unchanged. The key might be what they say D1 stocks are. It'll kind of verify how much corn and beans we've used in Q1, how much wheat we've used in the first half of the year, and what the actual supply might be. We also get our first estimate of 2014 winter wheat acres. Globally, they could raise the crops down in South America, especially Brazil's soybeans. They could, globally, they could raise the Canadian and China wheat crop, and maybe even the China corn crop. And so the numbers, as far as world supply and demand is concerned, could be a little negative. Weather-wise, Argentina looks a little drier in the next 2 weeks than we thought a couple of days ago, but the long-range maps show rains finally coming into the dry areas of southern Argentina after January 19th. That'll be key for their crops there. Brazil weather is fine, and we're starting to get into the beginning of the harvest and focusing on the logistics and just see how quickly they can export this record crop that they're growing in 2014. We'll be back with another video later today to give you a quick synopsis of the USDA report and what it might mean to prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite place. She was at the football game last night. 25 and a quarter. UVA.